The other day I was cooking rice and I fully burned it. You know, Ezengwa told me I should always pre-boil the rice, wash it, put it back on the stove, heat it to the fullest temperature, and then once it's really hot, cover it and reduce it to like 1 and leave it. The problem is I heated it to the fullest and I forgot. So it was black. And this thing with me and rice is like we are quarreling. It's either it's overdone, like soft and spongy, or it's too hard, we still have to chew it. So I'm tired. I decided to buy a rice cooker, and today I'm trying to make jollof rice in my rice cooker for the first time. So let's see. At least I'm saved. This rice cooker has saved me. No more burning of rice, no more chewing on hard rice, no more swallowing soft rice like fufu. This one will be perfect rice from now on. A good investment.